it's Haley and myself, and we are going to try apple chips because I bought a bag of apples for $2.99, and I figured to try to make some treats. So what the directions say is set your oven to 225.
It's gotta be a long time.
Core your apples. I don't have an apple core remover thing, so I just cut mine up, and then we're just gonna try to slice them. And then it calls for a teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, and it says 2 gala apples. I'm doing 3 because I have a lot. And you're supposed to have parchment paper. I don't have parchment paper. I only have wax paper. Did you just eat an apple?
No.
Oh. Okay, that's how we're gonna give it a whirl. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, let's give this a try, boo boo. I'm gonna show you how to do this, and if you can do it, great. If not, mommy will.
You will do it?
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Now I get it.
Well, the bottom one kind of sucks because it's at the bottom. Okay, you want to try to do it? On the bottom, just try to. I guess you can't really cut yourself. Here, can I show you? You gotta do it sideways. Okay, hold it. Oh, you're gonna whack your knuckle when you do it that way. Okay, just hold it like mommy is, and then just kind of
push it.
Just work it down a little bit. You don't have to do it super hard. With your other hand, boo. Whatever's comfortable. That's how, hey, try to do it like I showed you.
It's comfortable.
Okay, as long as it's comfortable. Okay, and you go back up and do it again. No. Down there.
That's cool how it cuts it.
Yeah, it kind of makes like nice little slices. So thin little slices. I think they can see, right? Can they see? Why isn't it? Oh, there it is. Okay, they can see. Okay. Do you want to keep slicing, or do you want me to slice? How about I slice and you put them nicely kind of on here? Does that sound like a plan? Okay, you do that part. I'll do this part. When you get to the bottom, it's kind of like... Are you eating them too? You gotta try to save them for...
When it's like sliced smooth, I like it that
Try to make sure they're separated, because some of them might be stuck together.
They came out each by each.
Okay, we'll come back when all our slicing is done.
Yeah.
Okay, so come to find out, I forgot, I had like these slicers that get connected to my KitchenAid. So it did somewhat chop. So this is what we're gonna do. Because we just got a smorgasbord of apples. We're gonna dump, the directions say do your apples, splatter cinnamon. I'm not really good at directions. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix the cinnamon in the bowl, and then we're just gonna do whatever. Okay, Haley, let me see yours. Okay, come over here and put it in there.
Sprinkle.
Yep, sprinkle it about, and then we're gonna mix it.
Can I try to do something?
You will have another turn, Hannah. So let's see how her turns. Put it in there, dude.
I need to be a chef, boy.
Okay, hold on. Let me mix. Oh, it smells good. It smells like apple pie.
Oh, yum. That apple pie that Mama makes. The The pumpkin pie's good.
Ugh, pumpkin pie's garbage.
I heard you don't like Grandma's pumpkin.
I don't like anybody's pumpkin pie.
I
Okay,
like
Hannah, you
pumpkin
dump the
pie.
rest of this in there a little.
I dump all of it?
All of it in there. Just sprinkle it on top. Perfect. Okay. Take that and put it in the dirty dishes with this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cinnamon alone like that isn't good.
Both of these in the dirty dishes?
Yes, please. Okay. Now I think we got it somewhat mixed up. Alright, babe. Will you put that in the dirty laundry? Dirty dishes. And then I think we're just going to kind of do this and spread them out. Are you listening, children of mine?
Yes.
I don't think you are. No. I think we're just going to kind of do that. Can you?
Sprinkle?
Yeah, just sprinkle them out onto the paper there.
Yeah. Get your apple chips. Apple sprinkle. Sprinkle.
Yeah, separate them a little bit.
Samaya. I'm a chef of a master. Get something from
Oh, I just really want to eat apple chips right now.
Well, it's going to be about 2 to 3 hours depending how crispy we want them.
This thing.
Hannah, would you like to slather some of these on there?
Yeah, and let me just pick something out from my treat bag.
Oh God.
Okay, put some where there isn't any, so they can be kind of dispersed. You didn't even get any onto the spoon.
I'm like, what? No, wait a minute.
What? Puppy? You want my log? Okay, and my log.
I just dumped it right on.
Yeah, it works fine. What's up, Willow?
What's up? What's up? What
You
up?
Do you want to be in the video too?
You
or
can have
just
this.
want the-
You can have this.
Spread.
Hannah, did you want to have a turn?
Yeah, I'm playing a tree. Yeah.
Okay, kind of just dump them out and separate them. While they're cooking or baking or whatever, I'll kind of toss them and turn them.
Oh, Hannah, can I have your leftover candy cane?
Just one of them.
Can I have Hannah's candy cane?
Not the whole entire thing.
I got
Yeah, not that big old piece. You're crazy.
this much
I can't see, honey.
behind you.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try this bad
Looks
boy.
like we're gonna have a little apple nuggets too.
Nuggets.
A little teeny tiny
Nuggets.
little turds. Okay. I'll you guys go suck on your lollipop. Okay, so you're supposed to distribute these like evenly by themselves, not touching anything else. But again, that's not possible.
No.
What, you don't like it?
No. Honestly, I like it.
The lollipop?
No,
Or
the
the candy cane? What flavor was the candy cane?
I don't know.
Oh.
It just tastes like lemon to me, so I eat it.
Oh.
So I can eat this?
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, I'll about order this, so we're just gonna do that.
I can't.
Okay, I think I've already said you're supposed to set your oven to 225. And depending how much crispiness or thick your apples are, you could be baking for 2 to 3 hours.
How much can I have of these ones?
So,
Yeah.
I've already set my oven. It's already beeped and ready. And you're supposed to have parchment paper. I don't have parchment paper. I have wax paper. So we shall see how this works. If it works, great. If it doesn't, we'll have some apples to put into an apple pie or something.
Woo! Jeez, Hannah. Okay.
see. So we'll see you guys in 1 hour with a follow-up.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are them after an hour, and they're still kind of rubbery, and I don't think this is working very well. So I'm gonna take them off this. I think we need to cook these a little bit longer and take them off this. Yeah. You know, I bet you they would have been better off on the baking, like the silicone baking sheet maybe. But we're gonna continue. Press on. I'm gonna put them in there for another hour and see how that works out. Okay. Let's put them in there for another hour.
Hey, we're back again from the video.
Okay, these chips or apples have been in here for 3 hours now.
Oh my god. They look burnt.
Well, here, let me put them in a...
That looks disgusting. It looks like dry leaves that the dog eats.
Yeah.
It looks like...
Don't touch because it's hot.
Oh, it actually does look like dry leaves.
True.
Candy dry leaves. It could be candy dry leaves, Mom. Pretend it's dry leaves, but...
Okay. So they're still kind of,
Mushy?
yeah, soft.
Mmm.
I don't like it.
They're not terrible. They're not gross. They're good. They're just squishy or soft, moist.
They're gross.
They're not gross.
Oh my god.
But yeah,
Dude,
so
delicious.
doing them in the oven really didn't work out. So that is our Pinterest fail. Maybe there's smaller pieces in there that are crunchier.
That was a good one.
That one was a good one. Yeah. There's some of them are crunchy, huh? Huh.
What's the pinchies?
Maybe because I didn't have the wax paper, the right paper. I think maybe putting them on like a silicone baking sheet might have helped dry them out some more. Weirdo. Okay. Well, we tried. It didn't work out. But that's okay. You're gonna eat them? What? Somebody's eating them, so that's good. Can you come say bye?
Bye. Bye.
You know, I don't think you're even in front of the camera.
Bye.
Oh.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, well, if you guys make them and they work for you, great. That'd be cool. But didn't work out for us.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and whatnot.
Comment.
Okay, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Okay. So here's funny. My daughter comes in and says, Mom, I'm full. I don't want any more apple chips. So I was like, Alright, okay. I'll eat them. I don't want them to go to waste. And you guys, they're crunchy. They dried out. So now they're like crunchy apple chips. They worked. What a surprise. Like it worked. And now I have apple chips. I'm like ecstatic that it worked. So make them, enjoy them. The Pinterest idea that I got, I'll put a link to her recipe. Yum. So I'm gonna make them again. So I'll see you guys on the next one. 225 degrees in the oven for a couple hours, I think just on a regular baking sheet. And then leave them out to dry. And that might have been in the directions. I just don't listen to directions. So I'm glad I didn't throw them away. So now I got some yummy, healthy apple chips. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.